Hey, Vivian and Pam. There are a couple of things I want to show you about sort of the process for how I approach scoring and grading and keeping a handle on what students are doing in the classes. So one thing that I'm working on for next week is adding your email addresses to each of the quizzes and drop boxes for the classes that you're assigned to. So what that means is you will get an email that looks like this right here every time a student submits something to one of the classes that you are the instructor of record. So for example, Stephanie Manchester has submitted making a budget in FELP 950, and that is in a fall class. So what I do is I keep track of every email that I get throughout the day, and I just handwrite out a list. And it's tedious, but it also keeps me on track, and it helps me remember student names, and it helps personalize them for me. And I can notice, like, if a student takes a quiz and takes it 5 times in a row, like without obviously taking any time in between attempts to go back and look at the materials, I know because I can see the quizzes as they come in, I'm getting a notification. So that's a primary reason why I do this. So I take notes on each one of these as they come in, and then I delete them. And then I hop over and find, what was she in? She was in FELP 950. I hop over to the correct term. This was a fall term, and I find her assignment by doing the grades and looking for, it was Manchester. And then I'm going to scroll over and see if I can find what she submitted. She's getting really close to completing, which is pretty exciting. So she submitted these 2 assignments today. And I can click on them and read what she submitted and score it right there. So that's how I'm going to ask that you approach each of the classes that I give you, how you keep track of what students are doing. I'm going to have emails sent to your account, and each day you need to keep a record of what assignments are coming in. And I really would like for you to get a binder or a notebook and keep a daily record of what's happening, because we want to track some of the trends, and I want you to be able to see who's active and who's not active, and this is just an easy way to do that. So thanks.